great products for cheap. I show you how to get them using coupon sales, promotions, whatever it is that I find. I give it to you as soon as I can.
Enemies can't stop me. And I got a big head, I'm blessed.
Hello my beauty queens and my beauty kings. Welcome back to my channel. This is Labeautyqueenana and I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. If you are new, welcome, and if you are a returner, per usual, thank you so much. And on my channel, whenever I find great deals, I always bring it to you guys. If I find high-end, great quality, luxury, whatever it is, great products for cheap, I show you how to get them using coupon sales, promotions, whatever it is that I find. I give it to you as soon as I can. However, if you want to know the deals even faster, feel free to follow me on my Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, as well as Twitter and Pinterest. All my social media links are down below. And today we are going to do an e.l.f. haul. This will be my recent e.l.f. haul that I did, but it's been sitting here and I haven't gone through it until today. It's going to be a mix of newer releases that I was interested in, as well as some repurchases or other products that have been around that I haven't gotten to yet. So if you want to know more about my thoughts and opinions on them, please stay tuned. As you know, I also introduced myself in French, so if you want to skip to the haul, the timestamp will be on screen and you can see me there soon. Salut les Beautykings et Beautyqueens, je suis la Labeautyqueenana et j'espère que vous allez très bien. Comme toujours, on fait les hauls. Vous savez bien que j'aime trop E.L.F Cosmetics. Ils sont très moins chers et surtout avec le rabais. J'ai fait un haul et là je vais vous montrer. Il y a quelques nouveaux produits et quelques anciens que j'ai achetés. Et les nouveaux, je vais vous dire mon opinion par rapport à ça. Les anciens, c'est juste les produits que j'utilise dorénavant et là j'ai seulement racheté. Et aussi quelques que j'ai eu à vouloir essayer depuis un temps et là j'ai eu l'occasion d'acheter quoi. Depuis, c'est dans mon shopping cart mais je n'achète jamais. Et puis bon, voilà, comme toujours, ils ont eu 50% de rabais. C'est le seul moment où je fais le shopping sur elfcosmetics.com. Justement, je le fais en ligne parce qu'en ligne, il y a le site Ebates qui nous donne le cashback et en français, toujours, il y a un autre nom, renseignez-vous. Ebates m'a donné le cashback sur cet achat-ci. Et aussi, je vous ai dit, il faut vous enregistrer sur le E.L.F Beauty Squad. C'est leur email update pour savoir quand il y a des promotions. Et aussi, quand vous faites le shopping chez E.L.F, on vous donne les points et les points vous donnent l'occasion d'avoir les produits gratuits. Donc c'est très bien, moi j'aime. Et comme je dis toujours, on fait le shopping aussi quand il y a les rabais de 50% off, et aussi deux fois ils vous donnent beaucoup de produits gratuits si vous faites vos achats de 25 $ en montant. Sans plus tarder, on va voir le haul et comme toujours je vous dis merci pour votre soutien. Veuillez voir mes vidéos de haul ou sur E.L.F Cosmetics, ça dépend, j'en ai tellement de vidéos. Veuillez vous renseigner, il y a tellement de playlists sous la barre d'infos, il y a tout, il y a les cheveux, il y a tout, donc veuillez vous renseigner. Si jamais vous avez un sujet ou une idée pour moi pour les vidéos, je serai très heureuse de faire les recherches pour vous et voir ce que je peux vous donner comme soutien ou comme mon opinion quoi. Donc si vous avez des idées pour moi pour les vidéos, faites les commentaires sous la barre d'infos, envoyez-moi les messages, on en parle et on fera des belles vidéos dans le futur. Merci encore énormément pour votre soutien et votre support. Restez en paix, en bonne santé, priez le bon Dieu, voir mes vidéos récentes, likez, partagez, commentez et on se voit à la prochaine. Ciao! So guys, like I was saying, I've done a couple of E.L.F hauls on my channel before and I've always said the time to shop at E.L.F is to shop when they have 50% off. So of course I shopped then for this haul as well. Sign up for the E.L.F Beauty Squad because you earn points and the points give you free full-size products, and also signing up for the E.L.F Beauty Squad allows you to get updates on their new releases and whatnot. And also I like to shop online with E.L.F unless I shop at CVS because I get Ebates cashback. Always try to see how you can get the best, and of course with shopping at E.L.F, they always have free gift with purchases when you spend $25 or more from time to time, so that also allows you to test out new products. So if you're interested, I strongly recommend that you do those things and you would definitely not be disappointed. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this haul. It's really small. It's gonna be a mix, like I said, new releases, old favorites, and just things that I wanted to try. So let's go and get right into it. All right guys, the first thing I have here is this E.L.F hydrating water sheet mask with purified water and aloe vera. And guys, this has been out for a while, but I didn't want to buy it because I wasn't sure, and because they had a 50% off sale, it was really cheap. I actually got 2 of them, and what really drew me to this is that it has no parabens, no sulfates, and no phthalates. Like for the E.L.F price line, this is amazing. I already used them, as you can see, and I strongly recommend this. It's the best sheet mask that I've tried so far. I haven't tried many, however I like how it fits on my face. Like it fits well, it's not too small, my eyes are not overwhelmed, everything is fitting so well for my size, and it hydrates as it says. I just love it. It's cooling, it's refreshing. I strongly recommend that you get this if you were interested. This is the E.L.F shimmering highlighting powder, and this is in Starlight Glow, and that is just the sleek black E.L.F packaging. I love this, and that's just how that highlight looks like. It's a little too white for me, but however, I got this free because I earned so many points with the E.L.F Beauty Squad. So again, take advantage guys, it is so worth it. So I got this free. It's a full-size product. So I also got the E.L.F bronzer in Deep Glow. Again, that sleek black E.L.F packaging, I love it. It's a little too light for me to contour with. I think this will be better used as maybe eyeshadow bases and to blend better, do neutral looks, but for me this will be too light, so I might give it away, or I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm pretty sure the quality is great. So these 2 are shimmers and these 2 are the matte bronzers. So too light for my skin tone, I might have to give this away. Next, I got another one of this beautiful Bare Sheer Tint finishing powder in medium dark. Okay guys, so I got this before in dark. It was too dark and too orange. Now I got this in medium. Now it's a little too light. So another issue with the woman of color, you know, they need to expand the ranges. So this lighter one made me look a little bit ashy, just a little bit. So I feel like a little bit darker, this would have been perfect, because this is a great powder foundation for the E.L.F line, especially at 50% off. It's great. I recommend it. But like as you can see, these 2 is a big difference. So I feel like one shade in the middle will be perfect for me. So I will have to give these away, but for the price, if you can find your shade in this, I say go get it, girl. Or gentlemen, whatever, just do it. And next, oldie and goodie, good for on the go, the E.L.F brush shampoo. It's just clear, nothing to it. Definitely get this, it's not bad. At 50% off, girl, you guys know I wear lipstick every single day, so I'm trying the lip exfoliator in Rose. I've tried pretty much all of them. I think they have so many new different flavors. I've used them so many times. These are good for the price, and having them on sale is just a no-brainer, you know. Like look at this, is the Rose one. They're good, and I can't wait to try this one out. And with that said, you guys know I love lipsticks, so I always have to have a lip color remover, especially if you're on the go, you're at work, you can't reapply matte over matte, so you need to remove it. And this is a great one from E.L.F, and it's a great one from E.L.F, especially for the price. On sale again, you can't beat it. That's just how that looks like right there. Also, I got the new E.L.F liquid lipsticks, the matte ones that everyone raved about. I'm missing only one color that I really wanted, which was coffee. I think that would be my best shade, but apart from the red, but it's always sold out and I can't wait any longer. So I'm just going to tell you quickly about these. If you want to see a swatch of these, please comment down below and I will do it. However, I don't plan on doing a swatch. I just plan on telling you guys right now which ones are my favorites. Marvelous is actually really drying for me, so I would say no. But if you do want to wear this as a woman of color, you do need a heavy brown lip liner. Berry Sorbet to me is way too fuchsia pink for a woman of color like me. But however, again, if you want to try this out, you can. And again, this is drying for me. I wasn't into it, so no. Now my favorites are the Red Vixen, which is red, and the Wine Tour. These are beautiful. Purple and red are like my most favorite, like, bright colors, so to speak, and I love these. The formula is great, it lasts long. Obviously when you start eating and all that stuff, it will fade away, but you know, for the price and on sale, it was a deal. So if I had to recommend, I would recommend Red Vixen, Wine Tour, and Coffee, which I don't have. So again, if you want to see a swatch on me, let me know and I can do a separate video. And last but not least, everyone talked about the new E.L.F. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette in Summer Breeze, and I must say I do like this palette. If you wanted to get it, I strongly recommend you do, especially at the sale price. It is great. In terms of blendability, for the price you get what you paid for, but it's not bad, especially if you're a beginner. It's not bad. I like it. I actually use it on my eyes today and I actually really like the look, and I used the Cream Pots eyeshadow in Gala to put it on my lid, and that was it. And I like the palette. It's a good sister palette to any palette that needs matte shadows. Love that sleek black design, by the way. Very good when you're doing makeup and it's easy to clean. And these are the beautiful shades. Again, on my eyes, that's what I use, and on the lid I use the Gala shadow in the Pots by E.L.F. Cosmetics. So yeah, love that, and it comes with a mirror as well. And yes guys, that is all for this haul. Let me know if you enjoyed it, if you've picked up any new things from E.L.F. Cosmetics or anywhere else. Or it doesn't have to be makeup, it can be anything, beauty, skincare, or just anything just that you enjoy. I'd like to know what you guys are into. I'm into different things. Maybe us talking more will help us, you know, make different type of videos, you know, we never know. So just let me know anything that you've been into down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Of course, watch my recent uploads. Praise God. Be in peace, be in good health, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.